Alright, here we go today. Let's see what we got today. Looks like today we have a kite, or some kind of quadrilateral, excuse me. A, B, C, D here. They've given us some information. A, B, A, D, A, C are all equal, and they are all equal to 15. This little piece is equal to 3, and it's just looking for the area of the entire thing. So, doesn't look too bad. Want to see what you can do with it? We'll pause the video, come back, and we'll solve it together. Alright, and we're back. So as everyone knows, right, first things first in the geometry, let's just fill in what we have. So if AB is 15, right, that's 15. If East AD is 15, that's 15. This whole thing is 15, and this is 3. Right, so if that's 3, that's got to be 12. Alright, so now we think, alright, is it just length times width? Do I know a formula here? This looks like a kite. It looks like a kite. These sides are congruent. Looks as though these are congruent. The diagonals are perpendicular, which is a trait of a kite. I'm going to take a stab here and say that most people do not know that the area of a kite is 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. If you know that, we're in good shape. We could just get this diagonal and be finished. However, I don't think most people are going to do that. I think we're going to have to split it into a bunch of triangles and then go from there. So as soon as you see triangles, especially with a right angle in there, I'm always thinking Pythagorean theorem, right? I have a 12, I have a 15, I can obtain that side, right? 12 squared plus this squared is 15 squared. I'm going to spare a lot of that drama. That's just 9, which would make this piece 9 as well. Now let's see what we got. I mean, we have 4 triangles here. So why don't we just use this? Area is 1/2 base height, and we can calculate all of them. I mean, you could do it for this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, and this triangle, add them all up. You could do these 2 triangles and add them up, which is actually probably a bit easier. Let's look at triangle ABC. The base is going to be 15, right? So it's 1/2, 15, and the height is going to be 9, right? So that's that. This triangle would be the exact same thing, right? The base is 15, the height would be 9 if I flipped it. So that would I would just really multiply that by 2, which would really just kill that off, and that would be 135. And you can sort of see this 1/2 base height sort of looks like this formula, right? That diagonal is 15, that diagonal is 18, and I'm taking half of 18, which would give me 9. But either way, no matter how you want to do it, lots of options. The final answer should just be 135.